Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Here you can find videos related to make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So today I'm gonna reveal to you how you can promote a Clickbank product using YouTube, and it is very easy and simple strategy. Just pay close attention. I will be taking 5 minutes of your time and I will be showing you the exact method. Okay, so do pay close attention, take out your notebooks and write out all the steps which I'm going to reveal in this video. So first of all, we should go to the website which is called clickbank.com. okay, now we are on the website. You must go to marketplace. Okay, once if you don't have a Clickbank account, I suggest you to create one, because Clickbank is accepting affiliate from all the countries almost, and you can just sign up from here. So for we will be going to promote a product which is related to betting systems. Okay, so in this category you just have to go there, click on marketplace and then select the category betting systems, and now we will be going here, casino table games. Okay, so just see this, there is a first product which is related to roulette. Okay, roulette is a casino game which is played. Okay, now we will be promoting this offer. I will be showing you how you can promote this offer. Just click on that. Okay, now you can see the landing page over here. This is related to roulette. It is a strategy. Roulette is a gambling game which is played in casinos and all that places. Okay, so you just have to promote this game. How you can promote this strategy based this strategy of roulette. Okay, now you just have to promote this on YouTube. I will be showing you how you will promote this on YouTube. Now once you go here, you just have to click on promote and get your affiliate link. Now what you will be doing, you will be promoting this link in the YouTube video, okay, which you have created regarding roulette. Now I will be telling you how you will create a YouTube video regarding this game roulette or its strategy. Okay, now you just have to go over to YouTube, okay, and here type here roulette, ROULETTE. okay, roulette. See, here are some of the keywords popping up. Just click on roulette. Okay, so now you can see there are some of the videos which are related to roulette game here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to click on this filter button and you are going to see Creative Commons over here. Just pay attention, this is Creative Commons. Okay, Creative Commons are the videos which you can use again, okay, which you can download and then again upload to your YouTube channel, and still you will receive still you will not receive any copyright strike. So these videos can be reused. Okay, that's the point of this videos. Okay, Creative Commons are videos which give you the license that you can reuse them again, upload it to your YouTube channel. For example, now we will be okay, I opened this video. Okay, now I want to download this video and I will re-upload it to my YouTube channel. Okay, so just click here on the share button. This is a Creative Commons video, so I can utilize it, and just copy this link. Okay, the link is copied. Now what you have to do is just once you copy the link, you just have to go here. Okay, once you have copied the link, now you just go to this website which is savefrom.net. okay, and you just have to paste that link over here. Okay, this one is already pasted. Now I'll be pasting Ctrl V. Okay, so this video is loading up. Okay, download link not found. Sometimes it happens. Just go to YouTube and find any other video, and that's okay. We'll be going back and we'll be selecting some other video. For example, this one. Okay, then we'll click on share button. Just copy the link. Just go to and Ctrl V, and that's it. The video came over here. You can just download it from here. Now what you have to do is, you cannot use this video directly. You have to make some editing or some changes in this video so that you can upload it on YouTube, because this video would have its intro, would have its anything which is related to their channel. So you just have to remove it. Okay, you just have to focus on pure content on this video and not on the intros or anything. You don't want all that stuff in your on your channel of. Okay, so what you have to do is, you just have to download this software which is known as Shortcut Video Editor, which is completely free, and you can download to your computer and you can edit videos on this software. It is just like Premiere Pro, which you can use to edit videos, and this is one of the free software which you can use. And if you don't have a computer and are doubtful, then you can use this software, and you can download this on your smartphone and use this software, which is KineMaster Video Editor. Okay, and you can just edit the video and then upload it to your YouTube channel. Just create a new YouTube channel for this purpose and just paste the affiliate link of this product on that channel. I am saying you that the strategy works in 30 days. So you just have to focus, and for 30 days you just have to upload a video every single day, which you will find in Creative Commons, edit it and upload it. You'll need at least 30 videos on your channel to get some good amount of views, and after that you will start receiving sales on this product. This is a practical method which is already working, so you can just go and take action. If you like this video, then type in the comment box "take action" and just take action for a month, and you will definitely get your first Clickbank sale. So that's very important, that's simple, that this is a very easy method, and you can just go over it and just try it yourself. And if you like this video, then do press the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed, stay happy.